Good day everyone, I am Arman Joseph F. Watco from BSc 2D and today I will explain elastic collision using this example. So let's go. Sample number 1. Two balls with the same mass move toward each other with the positive x-axis to the right, assuming no friction and that the collision between them to perfectly inelastic. Determine the velocities of the balls after the collision. The initial velocities of the balls are positive 30 cm per second and 0.20 cm per second. The solution of this problem is a matter of solving two equation. Number 1, the conservation of momentum, and pangalawa, yung conservation of energy. Say, ito yung dalawang ball with the same mass. Again, ang nagsasabi ng direction ng kanilang motion is yung times ng velocity nila. Say, ito yung positive is yung to the right nga, ito. Oh, and this is the 30 centimeters per second, and this is the negative 20 centimeter per second. So this is the ball 1 and the ball 2. Pareho lang sila ng mass. Tinatanong sa atin yung initial velocities nila. So write the first, the conservation of momentum, and dahil equal yung kanilang mass, pwede na natin i-cancel yung out yung mass dun sa equation, and masasubstitute niya natin agad yung initial velocities nila na positive 30 cm per second and yung negative 20 cm per second. So initial momentum is equal to final momentum m1 b1 plus m2 b2 equals sa m1 b1 prime plus m2 b2 prime. Pwede na natin i-cancel out yung kanilang mga mass dahil equal lang naman. We have here b1 plus b2 equals sa b1 prime plus b2 prime. Given sa atin yung initial velocity, we have positive 30 cm per second plus negative 20 cm per second equals b1 prime plus b2 prime. 30 plus negative 20 is equal sa positive 10 cm per second, then equals sa b1 prime plus b2 prime. So this is equation number 1. Ngayon, para magkaroon tayo ng equation number 2, i-apply na natin yung equation na conservation of energy. So KE initial equals sa KE final 1/2 m1 b1 square plus 1/2 m2 b2 square equals sa 1/2 m1 b1 prime square plus 1/2 m2 b2 prime square. Then makakancel na natin yung mass ay 1/2 ito. Then matitira sa atin is b1 square plus b2 square plus b2 equal sa b1 prime square plus b2 prime square. Now, ang mapapansin natin These two equations are linear and quadratic. An alternate approach simplifies the quadratic equation to another linear equation if we facilitate a solution. So, na-cancel na natin yung 1/2 na to. Na-cancel na rin natin yung mass dahil equal lang naman. So, ang gagawin natin, pagsasamahin natin yung initial and final velocity ng object 1 and initial and final velocity ng object 2. So, b1 square, lipat natin to sa kabila, minus b1 prime square equals b2 prime square minus, lipat natin to sa kabila naman, b2 square negative to. And next, after this equation, ipapactor natin yung both side of the equation, magiging b1 initial na siya minus b1 prime times the b1 plus b2 prime equals b2 prime minus b2 times b2 prime plus b2. Now, we separate the terms in the equation for the conservation of momentum. After natin ma-factor out, i-divide natin yung equation na to. Ito dito sa equation na to. Kaya lang, i-arrange muna natin from this equation magiging b1 minus b1 prime equals sa b2 prime minus b2. So, this is the other equation natin. Di-divide natin itong equation na to from this equation. So, makakancel sa atin ito and ito ang matitira sa atin is b1 plus b1 prime equals sa b2 prime plus b2. And again, ibabalik natin sila in terms of initial and final position. B1, bigyan na natin to doon, minus B2 equals sa B1 prime plus B2 prime, or B1 equals sa B2. Labas na natin yung negative sign para it's b1 prime plus b2 prime. So, this is na our equation 2, and substitute na natin yung given values. This is 30 minus negative 20 equals negative b1 prime minus b2 prime. So, this is 50 centimeter per second equals a negative b1 prime simply minus b2 prime. So, ito na yung ating equation 2. Ang gagamitin natin na 2 equation unknown to solve the velocity after the collision. Ang equation 1 natin is 10 is equal b1 prime plus b2 prime, and ang equation 2 natin is equal sa 50 equals sa B2 prime minus B1 prime. Gagawin natin, we add the two equations. So 10 plus 50 is 60. And B1 prime minus B1 prime is cancel na yan. 0 na yan. And B2 prime plus B2 prime is 2B2 prime. We divide both sides by 2. So, ito, B2 prime now is equal sa 30 cm per second. This is the final velocity ball 2 after the collision. And next, para mahanap natin yung final velocity ng object 1 or ng ball 1 after the collision. So, for B1 prime, gamitin na lang natin in end of the equation. Pwedeng equation 1 or equation 2. Say equation 1 na lang, 10 equals sa B1 prime plus B2 prime. B1 prime is equal sa 10 minus B2 prime. So, B1 prime is equal sa 10. Ang B2 prime natin is minus sa 30. So, B1 prime equals sa 10 minus 30 is negative 20 cm per second. So, these are the values of the balls after the collision. So, this is example for elastic collision.